we're going to change this fuel filler neck. This piece right here goes down in there. You squeeze your gas, it clicks. I think a vent's clogged up. We're going to change the whole neck. Hey there. Weakness here. We're going to change the fuel filler neck on that Jeep out there. And we're going to use this filler neck right here. And this is made by Spectra, an FN901. Quadratech actually had these, ordered it in June, but it's now the end of August, beginning of September, and it still didn't come in. So actually I found this at Advanced Auto Parts online for almost the exact same price, same brand and everything. So I ordered it from there and it came right in. Alright, what it comes with is the filler neck. The quality is, I guess, so-so. This vent, there's a vent in there that I think is clogged up on mine, which this is the vent tube right here. And there's the illustrious made in China symbol. So, alright, let's try it. First thing we do is get us one of these, and we'll put that right here, and we are going to take off these 4 bolts first. These are 8mm bolts. Bolts are removed, so I'm going to put this back on and get underneath it and see what we got. Okay, we got to take this protector plate off. You got 2 bolts here and 2 bolts there, and then you see this is where it connects to the fuel tank. We're going to take these 2 pipes off. Once we take these 2 hoses off, take them off under here, we should be able to slide the thing out. It should be fairly simple. These are 10mm bolts. Go ahead and break them loose. Oops. There it comes. You know, I just got this new Harbor Freight creeper, and one of the things I like is it's got this little thing here where you can put your bolts. And there it goes. So let's see. So we got a couple of bolts, a couple of clamps here. I'm going to take those off. I've actually replaced these hoses before, so they're not very old. So I'm going to take them off here, assuming I can. I think what I'm going to do is take them off at the tank and then pull them through the hole. Might be easier. You may have original clamps. These are aftermarket, so these are like 8mm, but yours might be different. Let's see. Okay, that came right off. And that came right off. Oh yeah, this will be easy. I don't know. I might have to take them off from down there too. I think I will. I'm finding it easier to go ahead and take it off from the bottom too. Okay, now that I got both off from under here, I should be able to pull it through the front. My gas cap was tethered, so move your gas cap off, and there we go. Here's a comparison. I don't see hardly any difference. Installation is the reverse. We're just going to stick it through here. Bolt holes seem to line up pretty good, I think. Hey, do they? Yeah, they do. A little tip you can do is put a couple of screws in here. That way you can shove the hoses on all the way and then take them out again, and you can manipulate it and screw the clamps back on. Alright, now that I got the hoses on and all clamped, the original one came with this little nylon sleeve. It goes over the larger one through the frame. I think it's to keep it from rubbing. So now I just got to put the protective plate back here, this thing, and we'll be done. And then last but not least, tighten these up. Okay, she's all done. Then just take the cap, put it back on, click at least twice, done.